Make sure you stay in kind of an area.
Ready? Ready? Shoot it.
Pace yourself, 1 minute to go.
You okay?
30 seconds. Keep it moving. Seconds, self-control. 10 seconds. Come on, one more time, go through it. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, come on! Excellent job. We usually don't do this on a test, but I will tell you this. One of the things that they were not doing, they did not have their guards up. You see a lot of Olympic-style taekwondoists, got the guard, have your guards up, because wide open up here. So if you're really quick with the kick, you just come right in over the block. That's why make sure you keep your guard up when we're going to be watching you on your test. So keep your guards up.